Greetings guys, sorry if the animation went under maintenance because we're trying to make a better PMG service since some computer might get a little problem. Well, it's for our safety. Right now, Gumball Central is going to have our first guest here in Gravity Vault. Meet Pacifica. So, what's wrong with Mabel Pines? I feel worried about Mabel. It's because she's trying to stare on me. Look, she's always waddled and I happen to win in the battle. Now, let's see what is going to be on the third season if they're gonna make this time. Just in case about the episode I saw, is there a real date about you and Dipper? Oh, please, Watterson. This is very controversial as me and Dipper might be on vacation in Paris this June. And we are on hiatus for the moment because it's taking a lot of time to make a story for the mystery. Is there going to be a next story of Gravity Falls or something? If it's real, I'm quite scared. Well, I will suffer then. And I have a surprise on your 4th anniversary of the Amazing World of Gumball. Here they are, but don't open it until May.